Hello everybody, welcome to my second Skillshare class where I will show you everything about the basics of layers and masks in Adobe Photoshop. If you always wanted to know how to use Photoshop, or let's say you felt intimidated so far about all the functions and possibilities you have inside there, then this class is the right for you. Because I tell you what, you don't need all those fancy tools and adjustment possibilities you have inside Photoshop to create a good looking image. Especially as a beginner, it can be hard sometimes to figure out what you actually need to work with and what helps you to improve your landscape photography. You need only a few simple steps to bump your images already to a whole new level. And that's what this class will be about. I will show you all the basics you need to know about layers and masks to work with contrast and color adjustments globally and locally. We will work on 3 example images so I can show you how those techniques work on each image. Because guess what? Every single photo is different. My name is Daniel Fleischhacker. I'm a professional photographer for over 6 years now, and at the same time I've been a Photoshop teacher for almost my entire career. At the beginning I had the same problems. I couldn't figure out what Photoshop was about and what adjustments I needed for my own images. So I tried everything and it was overwhelming really quickly. I wished I had a tutorial like this in the past so I can see what I really need for my landscape photography. So now I wish you a lot of fun with my Skillshare class. Feel free to ask me any questions you have and show me your results. I'm really curious what you can do with my simple steps and how your images look afterwards. So have fun guys, and see you later.